Okay, we are going to hang a door with the quick door hanger. And mind you, I've never done this before, but I got the hard sale today at the place when I bought this door. So, I've looked at the instructions. You need to just get these brackets, 6 of these brackets, and a bunch of these screws. Apparently you line the bracket up, not quite like that, and you just put it in. So, let me install 6 of these brackets. 3 right where the hinges go, and 3 basically just opposite the hinges. But that didn't even really get lined up very good right there. So, take that off. There, I'll fast forward to this, but I guess you get the idea. We'll see if this works this quick or not. 5 minutes or less. I'm not sure about that. Down both sides. So you see we've got those ready to go. Now the next thing, as they said, about a 1/2 inch in each your level. Line it up nice and level. And put a line down the wall. I guess this is the secret for making your door vertical. Then take your door, throw it in the hole, and it won't fall through. Yay! There was much rejoicing. Not really sure why there was so much rejoicing, but there was much rejoicing. Alright, then take your door back out of the hole. Get your plumb bobber, create another line. Now I can actually line things up on this time. Ask your brother who framed this. No, I'm kidding, I framed it. Why they didn't frame it up straight. That right there goes a little skew-on. Okay. Now, take your door, right back in your hole, because that's the way we have to do things, at least twice. Now, in theory, if I put that right there through 2, line things up. Yep, so I don't want to go, actually, to lift this up a little bit. So, said no shims required, of course, but I can bring it up a little bit on the bottom. Yeah, the door won't fall through the hole that way, but it'll fall back this way. Okay, there's some nice big black screws that we can put in. So I did go put in shims right here and shims behind each of the 3 hinges. So the fancy door hanger thing was awesome for lining it up, getting it to stay in the door without falling through. But I did have to do a little bit more work beyond just, this is so fancy, all it takes is 2 minutes. Well, it took longer than that. So that's my review on this product. Just thought I'd make a video to see how it actually works compared to the hard sale I got at the store today. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, tell your friends, tell your dog, share.